need at least a full day to do this. It used to be 3 days, so I'm doing good.
Alright, so these are the parts. Not too much, not too little. This is a real simple style. You can do this in about 4 hours. I mean, I did this about 10 hours, but still, your skill set might be a little more. But anyway, as you can see, that's the amount of parts that I got. Let me count. So it's about 3, 6, 7, 6 again. Now, to start your braiding process, what I like to do is I start with 2 small pieces when I feed in the beginning. This is the small piece. I just place it into the parts after I finish gelling it down. I separate my hair into 3. Then I put gel into the parting or into the separations, if that makes any sense. And then I continue to take one of my first pieces and then braid it into my hair, as you can see what I'm doing in this clip right here. And me personally, I like my knotless braids to be skinny in the beginning and then get thicker throughout. That just sets the tone for the knotless for me. I feel like if it's not like that, it's just not knotless. Like, I mean, you might as well just do traditional box braids. And once you're done feeding in that first piece, you're going to make sure that the second piece gets into the piece of hair that doesn't have any weave. As you can see, that's what I did. And then I continue just feeding in. The rest of the pieces are the same size, and those pieces are to ensure that the braid is the proper length that I want. If you want it to be a certain length, that's just how many braids, or that's just how many pieces you're going to feed in. So since I want them damn near to the bottom of my feet, I'm going to make sure that that's how many pieces I feed in to get it to the bottom of my feet, you know. And if I want it to the back of my neck or ear length, I'm going to feed in the amount of pieces I need to make an ear length. That's just what it is, if that makes any sense. But yeah, y'all, make sure you just keep braiding, keep adding pieces in to ensure that you get to the length and the thickness that you want it to be. And that is another thing. If you want it thicker, add bigger pieces. If you want it thinner, add thinner pieces. The bigger your pieces, the bigger the braid is going to be. Smaller pieces, vice versa, you know what I mean. Alright, y'all, so this is the last braid I'm gonna show y'all. Like I said, all you gotta do is put gel all around the parts, and then on the inside of the separations once you split it into 3 pieces. And then you're going to take one of the 2 pieces of starting pieces and then incorporate that into the parts. And you want to put the piece up against your scalp and then braid. And then once you're done braiding the first piece, it's to your discretion when you want to add the first piece or the second piece, but make sure that the second piece gets added onto the piece of your hair that does not have any hair added onto it. And then after that, you're just going to keep adding pieces of the same size. And y'all can keep doing this until you get to the length and the size braid that you want.
This would have been a perfect size braid and a perfect braid period. Like, I see how it's progressively going down like that.
What happened to
this one is a progressive
names?
I feel like I'm gonna redo that one. I'm sorry, girl. I'm gonna redo shit. Okay, so it's the next day, and I'm getting used to them. What they look like, they're cute. So I'm just gonna take this mesh. Shit, it's burning out. guys so much for watching. I really hope y'all enjoy. Really hope this was helpful if y'all are gonna do this style. And thank y'all for tuning in. Please make sure to subscribe. I know I talk too much. I know this is gonna be like a 55-minute video. But yeah, bye y'all.
Okay.